Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, how can you improve your creative skills? You can improve your creative skills by joining a free website which offers online creative courses from top universities of the world. It is known as KADENZE. Before proceeding further in this video, please subscribe my channel so that you can get a notification for every new video. Right, KADENZE. This is KADENZE.com. Click on it and here get started today. You can click here to see what are the courses and what is your field you want to choose. First of all, you need to go to a course catalog, select your subject, whichever your subject is. You need to select that one, and I am selecting pedagogy. Then there are number of courses. There are a number of courses available which are being offered free and with beginner, intermediate and expert level. 3 levels are available. You can choose whichever you want to learn. So this is a very important site to improve your job related skills. How you can join a course? You need to select that course. I think this is, for example, an intermediate course. I want to select that one. You can click on join, then register yourself here. You can easily access these courses whenever this is available from this website. Thank you so much for watching this video.